हाँ
Take a seat.
କଣ ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିବି ତମେ ବନେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରିଲିନି ତମେ ଆସିଲ କି ନ ଆସିଲ knowingly I am looking down knowingly but I didn't find whether you have arrived or not no words nothing could I hear
Tell it a little loud.
did you wish
yes sir
I didn't hear once again
नमस्कार
अरे बेबी हेलानी ये फरक चेक करो
हाँ तो
प्रबंधन को सेट से कम को साउंड सुनिए
नमस्कार सर
हां ये इटा कुडला एटा कुडला हां
नमस्कार पण घे नमस्कार पण
हेलो आई चेंज इट अवतर को नमस्कार सर
नमस्कार सर
को सार नमस्कार
सर नमस्कार
कोटा ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା କୋଟା ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା कोटा मान्यता रहेगा सबमिसिव रहेगा हम्बल रहेगा नमस्कार सर
सर नमस्कार
हेला
आगे
हेला प्रैक्टिस
आगे
सर
You are from Bhubaneswar.
yes sir
Huh?
yes
Born and brought up in Bhubaneswar.
yes sir
To tell about the city of Bhubaneswar.
sir the city is also a subdivision under Khordha district. It is a municipal corporation under Khordha. It has many places. Yes sir.
सत्यजीत
Yes sir.
Historically, Bhubaneswar.
Yes sir. Sir, it has seen rules under different leaders, like in Buddhism, under sorry sir, under Buddhism, Kalinga were of great Ashoka overtook Kalinga with the Kalinga were Veera Kharavela and of 2nd century was of Jainism importance, and he built Udayagiri and Khandagiri caves. Other Jajati Kesar too built Lingaraj temple. Other important temples of city are
So most of the
Rajarani
temples in Bhubaneswar
yes sir.
are dedicated to which god?
So Lord Shiva or Mahadev.
Okay. So can you cite the Buddhist monument around Bhubaneswar?
Yes sir. Sir, Dhauligiri is famous for Shanti Stupa, we call it. Because yes, sir. It is also a Buddhist and
Then what the political importance of Bhubaneswar?
Sir, Bhubaneswar is one of the first sanctioned smart city under the smart city program of Government of India.
It's the capital city first.
It is the capital city of
Yeah.
Odisha.
Where is the new capital? No, which year?
Sir,
Bhubaneswar is the new capital of Odisha.
sorry sir,
Which is the previous capital of Odisha?
Katak.
Where is the city of Cuttack, Bhubaneswar?
Sorry sir.
Okay, then political significance of Bhubaneswar.
Sir, Bhubaneswar is a planned city and
The capital city.
capital
Then
city, and it was selected under smart program.
power center.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Airport is also there in Bhubaneswar,
Okay.
and sir, it is central.
Bhubaneswar as an educational hub.
Sir, major AIMS is also there. SCB Medical College is there. Sorry sir. KIMS.
Other educational hub.
Yes, sir.
Bhubaneswar other educational hub.
Sir, under different categories we can categorize it. Like in agriculture we have OUAT, Utkal University. Under engineering we have KIT, ITR, CEB, and
You have government
triple
engineering
IT.
college?
Yes sir, we have triple IT Bhubaneswar.
Yeah.
And under medical sciences we have AIMS Bhubaneswar. And sir, majorly these are the major institutions of Bhubaneswar.
Okay. So what about the smart city?
Yes sir. Sir, it is a
Smart
program.
city.
Yes, sir, Smart City is a program by Government of India to provide world-class facilities to the citizens of that.
Facility
Yes, sir.
or international standard infrastructure.
So infrastructure and facility in terms of to make life easier of the residents of those like in transportation, sanitation, water providing water facilities.
Drinking
and,
water.
Yes, sir. Drinking water and drainage system.
Apart from Bhubaneswar, which city has been included in the smart city program in Odisha?
Sir, Rourkela.
Yeah. You know about this Budaya scheme?
No, sir.
No idea. You know about this JNNURM and the present Amrut AMRUT mission?
No, sir.
No idea. Singing is a hobby.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please.
You have lived in Bhubaneswar for quite a long time.
Yes.
Your schooling and up to graduation.
Yes, sir.
What are the trees you find in the avenues of Bhubaneswar?
Sir, mostly Alstonia scholaris. We have Peltophorum ferruginum. We have ferruginum. We have that is we have Kathavadam and we have Devdaru that we call in Odia. That is
What is the scientific name of that?
Devdaru is Polyalthia longifolia, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
If you are telling all scientific name,
Yeah,
tell that
because
one
you
also
are-
in the scientific name.
Yes, sir.
Why one in English name, one Odia name, and Kathavadam like that?
Well.
Terminalia catapa, and these are the major avenue plantations we see inside the.
What is Delonix regia position in avenue plantation in Bhubaneswar?
Sir, it is also an important species of, but due to it is not a wind farm species, sir. So
Yes.
due to cyclone
Right, you
recurrent,
are right.
yes, sir, due to recurrent cyclones, it has been wind thrown by.
Hmm.
So it is not a.
Delonix regia is a species which is not suitable for the shallow
Cyclone.
lateritic soils of Bhubaneswar.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Bhubaneswar is located in which forest type of, as classified by Champion and Set?
Sir, sir, we can see
Okay, tell me,
different.
what are the forest types
Yes, sir.
found in Odisha?
Yes, sir. So we have from tropical low level sal forest, northern tropical low level sal forest.
I am not going to subtypes, just types only.
So deciduous forest, moist deciduous forest, dry deciduous forest.
Hmm.
We have the swamp and tidal forest, that is mangrove forest, and we have scrub forest.
Hmm?
Scrub forest.
Scrub forest.
Yes, sir.
Does it come under Champion Set's classification?
Littoral.
In Odisha? No.
No. So littoral and swamp forest, we can categorize that
Yes.
mangrove forest under that. 4A of championship
In
classification.
Odisha, you come across 4 forest types.
Yes,
2, 3, 4, 5. Huh?
yes, sir.
2 is
Moist deciduous forest, sir.
tropical semi-evergreen forest.
Yes, sir.
What is number 1, which is not found in Odisha? Tropical wet evergreen forest. That is not found in
Not-
Odisha.
yes, sir.
Tropical semi-evergreen forest. Tropical moist
Moist
deciduous
deciduous
forest.
forest.
Then the 4th group is littoral and swamp forest.
Yes, sir.
And 5th is
Tropical dry
dry
deciduous
deciduous
forest.
These are the 4 categories of forest types found in Odisha.
Yes.
Bhubaneswar, or for that matter, Khurda, comes under which forest type?
So tropical moist deciduous forest.
Or dry deciduous?
Sir, not dry deciduous, sir.
Not dry deciduous?
No, sir.
Okay. You go and see the books.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Moist deciduous is found in the rolling hills of Fulbani, Keonjhar, and all hill slopes, and this comes under dry deciduous forest.
Okay.
You are all forestry graduates, you should know these things in detail. Okay. What is the species composition you find in the Chandaka Dampada forest region? Tell me 5 common tree species predominant in this area.
Sir, we find Diospyros melanoxylon. We find
Diospyros melanoxylon, which is found in Chandaka forest area.
there-
Which is the major species found in Chandaka forest area? Is it not sal?
Sal is also there, sir.
Number 1 is
Yes,
sal. Then what are its associates? Okay. What are the fauna composition of Chandaka Dampada forest area?
Sir, mostly you find it is famous for elephants. Reserve is also there. Sorry, sir. Wildlife sanctuary is dedicated for elephant, and apart from wild dogs, wild boar, and tiger was there, but in the present condition, tiger is not present, and leopards are there, and jackals and
Reptiles,
so reptiles, Naja Naja is there, and um,
birds. Birds.
Birds are
There
there.
are birds. What birds?
sir, major birds like hill myna and kingfisher and blue jay, Indian roller, and so mostly these. And sometimes in winter, some
Bird composition of Chandaka Dampada area has 58 species. Out of that, you should be thorough in at least 10 species. In a forest, suppose you have posted as ACF, and there is felling of trees going on in illicit felling of trees in the forest area in your jurisdiction. How are you going to tackle that? You got the information, some informer gave you the information. How are you going to solve the issue then on the spot?
sir, we have to move with the force, and we have to inform executive magistrate, Tahsildar of the area.
How will you manage?
Sir, we have to.
You will go alone?
No, sir, we have to go with the forest staffs, forest guards, and the foresters of that area.
Then
We have to inform the police of that concerned area, and also we have to take the permission of executive magistrate, Tahsildar, to take any seizing for seizure of the illegal logs that are found in that area. We have to arrest them, sir.
the first step is to make your own staff alert to proceed with you.
Yes.
The second step should be to inform the police,
Yes, sir.
and the third step will be to inform the magistrate.
Yes.
Because whether you are going to seize something or not, you do not know, but you will apprise the matter to the
Magistrate, executive magistrate.
executive officers. Okay.
Satyajit,
Yes, sir.
what is the basic demand for this post? BSc Forestry, MSc Forestry, PhD in Forestry?
Sir, BSc Forestry.
I disqualify you for this job only based on your achievements. You are not fit for this. You are fit for something else, something better. Go. अरे go debate, prove it.
Sir, I have dedicated around 9 years of my studies for this forestry.
That is what is seen here.
Yes, sir.
You have achieved net
So I can,
twice.
so I can
Forestry.
contribute my research knowledge into forest department.
So
So
we are
that
not having any research facilities here for ACFs.
we have one, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
Tell that. Tell that. Hmm.
Sir, we have silvicultural research station and many research station around Fulbani area also. So I can utilize my research skills to increase the forest
There
area.
is a separate forest research division, silviculture division.
Yes, sir.
Silvicultural research is taken up.
Yes, sir.
So have you visited the silvicultural research station?
Yes, sir.
Where is it located?
Sir, in Bhubaneswar only. Sir, I have been during my BSc time, sir.
Okay. Any interventions, any suggestions that you would like to work upon?
Sir, I would like to utilize my agroforestry knowledge
So
to.
what is your vision, look, outlook, insight? इतने पढ़ला पर कौन
Yes, sir.
research करिए?
Sir,
Who research
now,
research
sir, now
करिए?
most of the power are out from forest rangers and forest department officials since the FRA of 2006. So 2019 Forest Right Acts amendment is also rejected. So
I am asking for research.
yes, sir, I am telling.
Hmm.
Sir, I can we can the only part left to increase the forest area and tree cover outside the forest area. We can utilize the agroforestry knowledge by allocating the proper training to the farmers outside the forest area to increase the tree cover of the state.
Where is the research?
So very,
सेटा तो जान पहले से करो.
I-
I mean research. You are so educated. You are a PhD.
yes, sir.
You are doing some thesis research here again after your MSc research.
Yes, sir.
So what more research you will do for the state with respect to forest development?
Sir, all research I have done only for my academic purposes.
Now that is giving you outlook.
Yes, sir. I would,
कौन करेगा research ओडिशा?
sir, I will.
Direction दियो.
I will try to incorporate agroforestry into Odisha, which is lacking now in Odisha.
We are there since decades.
Yes, sir.
Agroforestry. Research was specific.
Sir, crop compatibility studies and silvicultural
Seda.
improvements
Seda.
of
Seda.
important tree species.
Seda. Specific
Yes,
area.
sir. Identification of.
बुद्धि point करो.
Yes, sir.
मैं ये एरिया को explore करीबी further.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done.
Because that lies my expertise.
Done. मैं तो आगे select कर ली. I have selected you. So nice.
And
Can we
update some of the developments.
Yes, sir. I will take care.
Like the Green India Mission.
Sir,
Which is the funding agency of Green India Mission?
sir,
Which is the funding agency for Green India Mission?
sir, Green India Mission comes under the National Action Plan of
Which is the funding, international funding agency? World Bank.
World Bank, sir.
Yeah.
ये
Okay.
देखियो खुशी जो बढ़िया you are selected.
Thank you.
Gold medal by
Thank
Thank
you.
Okay.
Oh, it's बढ़िया
Thank you,
बढ़िया
sir. No, sir.